guys, today we have an exclusive sneak peek at the highly anticipated Pixel 6. That's right, Google's latest flagship smartphone is here. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest and the greatest in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative tech content. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 6 showcases a sleek and modern aesthetic with a seamless fusion of metal and glass. It has a stunning edge-to-edge display which is sure to capture everyone's attention. Speaking of the display, the Pixel 6 boasts a 6.4-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel, ensuring you will enjoy every bit of your multimedia experience with rich colors, deep blacks and excellent contrast. Flipping it over, we have a revamped camera system that bounds to blow you away. The Pixel 6 features a dual camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. This setup enables you to capture stunning photos with exceptional detail and impressive dynamic range. Let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, the Pixel A packs a punch with Google's own custom designed chip, the Google Tensor. This powerhouse of a processor delivers blazing light speeds and unrivaled AI capabilities, making multitasking, gaming, and running demanding apps at a breeze. To keep you powered throughout the day, the Pixel 6 houses a substantial 4500 mAh battery. With intelligent battery optimization, you can expect impressive battery life that adapts to your usage patterns, ensuring you never run out of juice when you need the most. And of course, it wouldn't be a Pixel without the pure Android experience. The Pixel 6 runs on the latest version of Android, giving you a clean and intuitive interface, seamless updates, and exclusive features to enhance your overall smartphone experience. So, there you have it guys, the Pixel 6, Google's flagship smartphone that is ready to redefine your smartphone experience. With stunning design, cutting-edge camera, powerful performance, and pure Android goodness, this is definitely a phone to watch out for. Please do visit our website for the best renewed smartphone deals. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.